Hi friends, I'm back with one more video. So let's discuss about one of the ratio spread which we are planning to do the simulation today. So this is my same euro or zero. You know what? Already I've made like 3 to 4 videos on the ratio spread. So for me this acts as a euro or zero. So let's get this done on simulated on the recent week expiry. So let me take you to Opstra. Okay, at Opstra I'm into the simulator section. Okay, I'll be just getting this done on the 8th week. 8th September expiry. This is the latest week. Okay, so I'm just doing it on Bank Nifty. 1st of September is the start date and 8th is the last date. So we are almost at 3 p.m. on the 1st September. Market stands at 39,400 around round figure 39,400. Okay, 39,400. So what do we do? Basically I go for like 2 to 3. I mean wherever I see a premium between 210 to 240, 230, right? So I'll go. So I'll select this one. Okay, so market stands at 39,400. I'm buying this 243 one lot. What is half of this? Either I'll go for half of this or either I'll go for five strike maybe OTM, right? 1 2 3 4 5. So I'll just sell this one. Okay, I'll sell one quantity. And what will I do is like half of this thing or 5 spread 1 2 3 4 5. So I'll just go for 47, 50 rupees, right? 47, that's it. So this is my ratio spread 1:1:1. Okay, if you look at the loss is almost like 2,000 on the downside and we have a profit of 10,000. Just make a note of it, friend. Okay, we have a profit of 10,000 and then we have a loss of almost like 2,200. Okay, 2,200. So now what I'll try to do, so at any time if the market falls down, so our loss will be only 2,200. If the we are able to trap the market in this green area, we will be having a potential of 10,360 profit, maximum profit, and minimum would be that starts from your break even till this one. This surface will be your see. This is what in Opstra I find it difficult. Okay, let me do one thing. Okay, you all know, right? So this is your maximum range, profit range. So your minimum profit will be from this break even till this point. This is your maximum, and from year till year you will have the minimum. Okay, so now I'll take you 30 minutes. That's it. Okay, I'll take you 30 minutes. Okay, keep an eye on this loss. Okay, I'll take you to 30 minutes. Okay, so where is 30? Okay, let me zoom this and let me make it 100% so that you're able to see both. Okay, so I'll take you to the 30 minutes. We are on 1st September and 8th September is the expiry. 30 minutes we are at end of the day with a profit of 186. Good. Okay, so we are not going to do any adjustments until and unless our first sold, see what is our sold position, 40,300. Until the market comes to 40,300 we are not going to do any adjustments. But from here if the market keeps falling, we will try to do the adjustments in terms of rolling down this call until 40,300. Stay with me, you'll get to know. Okay, I'll go for 30 minutes. Keep an eye on this thing, right? 21, no, right? My market should reach somewhere between these two, buy and sell. What I meant to say, either 39,800 and 40,300 in between. When the market is in between these two spreads, so then I'll think about doing the adjustments. If not, I'll not do. 30 minutes, right? Check this market. 30 minutes we are at see, either market is static, I believe, right? 422 is our profit, 633. Okay, I'll go for almost we are at 245, right? 315. Let me it's a check time, right? So let me, what I'll do, so I'm not in panic situation. Okay, so I'll not try to do the roll down of call because I am still in profit. Yes, if market falls from here, I'll get into this 2,000 loss, but I know how to mitigate my loss by rolling down this second call till the first call position. Slowly I'll roll down, but I'll not do any adjustments as of now. I'll take it to the 330. So we are on 2nd of September with a profit of 543. So what happens next morning when the market opens? So market has opened a bit of gap up. Right, that's the reason you see 1,496. Okay, so now we will be in dilemma actually whether we should do the adjustment because we already got the adjustment, we already got the profit, right? So we will plan to do the adjustments by booking this 39,800 and moving it to 39,900. We can do that, but the moment we do this, the range will decrease because what is the threat of ratio spread? The threat of ratio spread is like bigger momentum, right? Bigger gap up. So what I'll do, I'll just, until and unless I'm into panic situation, I'll not do, because we are on September 5th. I have another 5, 6, 7, 8, another 4 days for me to mitigate my loss. I'm just right, my focus will be only on this loss. I'll not even give focus on this profit. If I'm able to mitigate this loss, I'll be like happiest one. Okay, so I'll not do the adjustments. So let me go to 30 minutes until that gives me a panic. Okay, so this still we are at profit, right? Still we are at profit, right? Still we are at profit. See, slowly the market, the market is standing at almost like 39,900, 39,800. So this has become in the money. Our buy has become in the money. If you want, you can do the adjustment, but I'll not do the adjustments because my threat is on the upper side. All right. So now what I'll do, I'll try to wait until like end of the day to do the adjustments. If you want, you can just do the adjustments. Okay, you can just book this 38,900 and then you can go for 39,800, then you can go for 39,900. The moment you do that, right, you will be able to reduce your loss on the downside, and also your maximum profit will reduce here. Your range will also reduce. See, check. Even we'll keep an eye on this thing also, right, friend. This is very important. Okay, I'll just keep this. I'll just keep this strikes also here. All right. So now I'll go for another 30 minutes. Right, I'll try to do the adjustments at the end of the day. See, my profit has come down, right? I'll go for another. See, now I'll keep a check. 1120. I'm not in panic situation. 2000 is my profit. I'll not do the adjustments. See, this is what I do, friends. Honestly, this is what I do. Unless and until I'm in panic, I'll not do the adjustments. Honestly, because doing unnecessary adjustments will also have a cost to it. Okay, I'll not do the adjustments. At least I'm at 150. At least I'll wait till end of the day. 1220. I'll not do the adjustments, right? Maybe somewhere here I'll plan to do the adjustments at 320 or 310. So now what I'll do, see, already I got 2000 profit. Worst case, if tomorrow market falls down, right, if I had a gap down, so unnecessarily I'll be able to get into this loss. So now we are already done with 5th. So we have only 3 days. So now I'll do the adjustments. So where is this 39,800? I'll book the profit, right? 363. I'll just book the profit. Stay with me. This is going to be like very interesting. Okay, I'll book this profit and then I'll try to buy 39,900. Okay, I'll try to buy 39,900. Where is 39,900? 39,900. See, so what did we sold? We sold this one, right? We squared off 39,800 and we are buying this one. If you see that, ideally we should not do these adjustments also, because 363, let me show you that 363, this one, right, 39,800 we squared off. 363 minus 310, right? If you look at this, so we got just 53 rupees of the intrinsic value between these two spreads. We should do the roll up the moment we get 65-70 points, but we are just sacrificing 47 rupees of the intrinsic value. But okay, let's leave it, right? I'll just buy this. Okay, we should ideally do this when we have the intrinsic value of 60 or 65 or 70, but for the demonstration purpose I'll do that. Okay, so we have squared off this one. I'll buy 39,900. So you all know by this time your loss on the this thing has reduced from, what was the loss initial, 2,200, check here, but now it has reduced to just 826. That's it. With one adjustments we are able to reduce our loss. Now check the range, right? Your range might have decreased, right? Check the range. Initially we have the range of 4124, but again 41166. This is the disadvantage of the ratio spread. What's the disadvantage? This is the biggest problem. What we do is like doing unnecessary roll up, because we were able to mitigate the range and also check the maximum profit. From 10,368 we are able to reduce our profit to 9173. But yes, we are doing it right. Just we lost only, how much is that, 9,000. We lost only around 1,200 from our profit, but we were able to mitigate the 2,200 loss to 826. Okay, now our next loss is 826. Okay, let me keep it 826 is our loss on the downside. Now again I'll go to end of the day, end of the market, right? We are at 2,000 profit. So next day morning, I don't know, I'm not even showing you the chart. I'm just doing based on the price action. That's it. Next day morning, what happened? So next day morning, slight bullish, right? There was a slight gap up of 5 or 10 points, so we are at a profit. Okay, so now I'll not do any adjustments until and unless my sold position, unless the bank nifty, the price come to my sold position. What is my sold position now? Maybe this one, right? What is that sold position? 40,300. Or else let's see where I can do the adjustments. If the market is going up, if the market comes here, I'll just do the adjustments wherein I'll do the roll up of my this thing, or else I'll just roll down my call position if the market keeps falling. Okay, now I'll take it to the 30 minutes. Okay, let me bring it, right? You have this profit and loss 30 minutes, right? We are on the 6th September, 30 minutes. We are still with the profit is reducing, right? Not an issue. We are not into panic situation, right? Then 30 minutes, the profit is increasing. Again, I'll go for 30 minutes. I'll not do any adjustment because my loss is only 826, right? Why should I do the one more roll up so that my range, I'll be able to decrease my range? Because the moment then in the next 2 days, if the market makes a, what is this range? I have a range of 3.24% upper range. If you look at the red box, 3.24% from the where the market stands. If I zoom this out, right? Market stands here. So my safety is still 3.20%, and check the blue line. I have the safety. My loss will only start when the market makes a move of, let me show you, right? When they say minus 200, right? When the market makes a move of 2.54% upside, my loss will start. I'm very safe. See, whenever I trade, I manage my blue line. Right? That's the reason I always ask you to focus on the blue line. So I know even if the market expires, gaps up tomorrow by 1.2%, I'll be not in loss. I'll be not in loss for sure. Even here, I'll be not in loss. Only my loss will start only when the market gives a gap up of 2.53%. So then my loss is only minus 255 rupees. That is not even my stop loss. Even if the market opens like, let's say like 3%, so then my stop loss will hit. But market gapping up by 3%, you have to do that homework. Go to any tool and check how many times the market has given you the gap up of more than 3%. All right. So now we are at 120. Okay, I'll take you to the next 30 minutes. We are still in profit. Next 30 minutes, we are still in profit. Market is not reaching to our sold position. Still it is standing at our break even. 30 minutes. Now I'll give it a call. Okay, now I'm a profit of 1,822. My loss is almost 826. I'll take a chance. I'll not do the adjustments. If required, I can do the adjustment, but see, I'll show you why I'm not going to do the adjustments, right? This 39,900 was our this thing, right? The new buy position 39,900. I'll show you like what is the intrinsic value we will be getting. 39,900. See, 224. Let me do that calculation, right? This calculation you have to know, friends. 224 minus 183. If I want to square off this and go to 40,183. See, we are just getting 41 rupees intrinsic value. Why should I waste that opportunity, right? And moreover, my trade is in green. Why should I panic actually? So I'll take a chance. Okay. So tomorrow, if there is a gap up or maybe gap up by 1%, my trade will give me like good profit. But if there is a gap down, my loss will be only 826. I do not know, right? Let me take you to 3:20 or 3 o'clock, and then we are at a profit of 1,733. So now I'll go for the next 5 minutes. So we are on 6th September. So we have only 2 days, right? 7th end. So next day what happened? See, the next day, that's what happened. What did the market do? The market has given a gap down. So from 1,800 profit, we got into 600. So 920 is too early for us. Let me go to 30 minutes, right? Even at 30 minutes, market is staying. See, let me zoom it out. This is what happens with your ratio spread. But ratio spread rocks, friends. Seriously, I'm telling you. See, even if market makes a down circuit, your loss will be only 826. And we are not going to give that loss. What did I say? Euro or zero. Either you will get into zero loss, or else you'll get into good profit. So now market has played us with us, right? This is what happens, right? Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll go to another 30 minutes, right? My profit is 631, right? My profit is 531. I'll wait, see, I'll not do the adjustments because now I'll think to do the adjustments. So what adjustments, what I'll do, what did I say? Now I'll roll down my call. Right, I'll roll down my call. I'll exit this 40,800 and I'll try to go to 40,700 or 600. Let me see the premiums. Okay, what I'll try to do, I'll take you to the profit and loss. Remember this thing, 40,800 was our call. So now I'll roll down, right? I'll roll down 40,800, right? This is going to be like very interesting. From 40,800, where is my 40,800? 40,800. So what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to exit this. Either I'll go for 40,700, so I have to just give 2 rupees extra premium, extra debit. I'll plan to go for 40,600. So how much I have to give? Only 4 rupees. Even I can go for 40,500 also. So let me try to go for 40,500, because what am I giving? Right? If I'm just what is the spread difference? 40,800 and 40,500. So you have 300 spread. Okay, and how much of debit you are giving? This is 18 and this is 10. So you are giving just 8 rupees, 7 rupees of debit. Okay, let me sell this. Let me sell this. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll exit that. This one 40,800, I'll exit. What is 40,800 trading at? 10.45. Right? If you're not able to understand, friend, pause the video, again rewind the video. Okay, that's it. The moment I do this, check your loss. Your loss is only how much? 626 now. Right? Your loss is only 626. So from 40,800 we bought it to 40,500. Okay, your loss is only how much? 600. Right? Your maximum loss would be 626. Okay, let me again let's see if the market, see now what I'll do, I'll wait for the end of the day, because my maximum loss is only 626. If I want, maybe tomorrow if the market keeps falling, again I'll try to exit this 40,500 and then I'll come to 40,300. With that, this loss will be completely mitigated. Point number 1, if I have some additional capital, I'll try to sell 2 to 3 to 4 lots extra. I'll tell you, because I'm not talking about the extra lots here. Okay, now what I'll try to do, I'll just go till end of the day, because my loss is 630 rupees. Anyways, the 630, I'll make it 0 the next day also. Okay, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, right? My loss is still how much? It's still, I mean, green. Okay, but I lost that 2,000 of profit. Right? That's what happens in the market, right? Until and unless I'm not in the panic situation, I'm okay. Okay, 30 minutes, 12:20, right? My profit is 800 and I'll take you to 3 p.m. Right, I'll take you to the 3 p.m. Now we are the day before, and now the next 5 minutes we are going to be on the expiry day. We never know whether there is a gap up or gap down. Even I'll tell one thing now, friends. Now I'll tell you, if you think that, see, now this is very important to understand. I'm not sure whether you're able to understand or not. This is one of the very important. It's Wednesday at 3:30. Now check this safety. You have a safety of 3.57%, and check the safety of the blue line. If the market opens 3.11%, right, gap up of 3.16%, you will have a loss of only 214. Friends, try to understand, you will have a loss of only rupees 214. So now you have to just give it a thought. Okay, let me take you to 320, 330 would be like now. Okay, again I'll zoom this. Right, you got my point. So you have the safety of almost like 3.48. Even if you want, you can just get this wing inside, meaning exit this, go for like 30, what is that, 40,300 also. You can do that, but I'll not do that. I'll show you. If it is a real trade, I'll do that. Right, let's see both ways. Okay, now I'll take you to 3:30, and next day morning we never know what is going to happen. Is it a gap up or gap down? If it is a gap down, we will be like ending only 626. If it is a gap up, let's see. Right, boom. Right, it was a gap up. Right, so all of a sudden your profit has increased actually. So now what you can do, see, either you can do one thing, friends. So you have the buy position, right? What is a buy position? This one, right? 39,900 is your buy position. Okay, so you can just roll up. The moment you roll up, see, let's do one thing, right? From 920, I'll just take you to next without doing the adjustments. Okay, let's see like what is your profit. Right, 30 minutes, I'll take you till end of the day, because I cannot simulate everything at one go, right? I'll take you to 30 minutes. Hope Upstart doesn't stuck. If it stucks, I cannot do anything. At least I'll be able to show you. So now check your profit. Your profit is almost like 5,229. Right, this is what I call hero or zero loss. Okay, 320. So you are profit at 7,170 without doing the adjustment. Now what I'll do, I'll take you to 30. I'll take you to again 920. Right, so this is the beauty of ratio splits. You have to know what adjustments you have to do. You have to know when you have to do the adjustment. You should not get into panic situation until and unless your trade is not giving you panic. So 920, right? What did I say? Yeah, market went up, you were able to get 7,000 profit. But what if market comes down, right? hardly you will be getting only 626. Even if you don't want to give that loss, what you can do is like, what is your buy position? 39,900, right? Let me see, right? I'll book this 39,900. Where is 39,900? 39,900, and then what I'll do, I'll buy 40,000, or I'll buy 40,100. Okay, let me buy 40,000 and see what will happen. Okay, I'll buy 40,000 and then I'll exit 39,900. Okay, I'll exit 39,900. Where is it trading? 39,900 is trading at 98 rupees, because I'm doing the rolling up, because I want to mitigate my loss. If I do this is second adjustments what I'm showing you, right? That's it. Your downside loss is now 190 rupees profit. This is what I keep telling. Ratio spread is 0 or zero loss. That's it. Even if you think that no, I want some profit here, go and do the naked selling on Thursday morning, or else what did I say, on Wednesday end of the day also you can do the naked selling, wherein your profit will increase here, right? This is what I've done, right? So if you go for 40,100, you know, right, your profit will again increase by, right, maybe like 300 to 400 rupees. We are just playing with single lot. If you have some extra capital, okay, let me show you, right? Again, I'll take you to the end of the day. If you have done this adjustment, right, let me take you to the end of the day at 320. Hope Upstart doesn't stuck. Usually it stucks, right? You know, right? Many of the time we have seen 320. Your profit is at 5,486, almost like 6,000. But wherein you have made your loss, or what do we say, on the put side, you have made your loss 0, right? If you want, again, sorry, I went to one day. This is what happens. Okay, and now again I'll take you to the start of the day. See, I'll be showing you all the adjustments so that you get to know, right? Okay, 950, right? What I'll try to do, I'll take you to previous day, right? This is interesting, right? Maybe 320. So now what I'll try to do, 320, right? I'll delete this thing, right? What was the 39,900? Okay, I'll make this again 0, right? Let's see. This is going to be like interesting, and I'll delete this one because I've added this thing, right? I'll delete this thing. That's what, right? 40,000. Yeah. So this was my original trade on Wednesday at 320. Okay. So now what I'll try to do, I'll try to sell some, because see, if you look at this logic, right, I'm not sure whether you're able to, you have a safety of almost like 3.48%. Do you think the next day morning Bank Nifty can give a 3.48%? No, right? Which is very rare. 3.48% gap up. Even if the Bank Nifty gives a gap up of 3.8%, your loss is only 82 rupees. So now what I'll try to do is like, I'll try to sell, because end of the day I want to make my loss 0 here, because I'm not even bothered about my profit. What if the market stands here, right? If it is a gap up, yes, I'll be falling into this green zone, but if it is a gap down, I should not be giving this 626 loss, right? What I'll try to do, I'll go to option chain. I'll try to go to option chain. What is my sold position? Sold position is, the active sold position is like 40,500. Let me see, right, what is the premium at 40,500. Okay, let me see, what 9 rupees. This is not sufficient. Okay, I'll go to, what is my first sold position, 40,300, right? Let me see what is the premium at 40,300. This is what we have to do. 40,300. You have a 19 rupees, right? Let me sell this, right? 3 quantities. You can do that, because when I'm telling you to sell, right, because Bank Nifty cannot give a gap up of 3.5%. If you are worried, you do not do these adjustments. If you are a very aggressive, very smart trader, you can do this, because how much you're capturing, 19.45. okay, so this has to become 0, right? 19.45 into 3 into 25, I believe. So you're able to get another 1,458. Okay, let me show you. The moment I sell this, you know the payoff graph will change, right? Your loss, your from 626, your profit has become 832 on the downside, and see, your profit has also increased. But let me show you this one also, right? What happened next day, right? When we sold this 3. Okay, so still, if you zoom out this entire trade, you have a safety of almost like 2.42%. All right, so now let me take you to the next minute, right? We are at 330. The next day, that's it. So you are at a profit of 1,373, right? So that concern is gone. Now you should not regret saying that unnecessary I have sold this thing because, or else if I have not sold this thing, right? You should forget everything about it, because you have to mitigate your loss, and then you do that 30 minutes. I'm not sure whether this is in prop, because I'm just taking you to till the end of the day, but you will not leave the loss, right? You will definitely do the adjustments in case if your trade comes into panic situation. See, 30 minutes your profit is 2000. Okay, 30, I'll take you till the end of the day. 230, 250, and then 320. You are at a profit of 8,600, right? I've shown you 3 to 4 different adjustments. This is called hero or zero. This is one of my favorite strategy, my hero or zero ratio spread. I've shown it to you without showing you the graph analysis, and I've taken the latest week rather than me taking any other week. I've taken the latest week. If possible, I'll make a video by taking the same week by doing a iron fly. I'll take the same expiry and I'll do the debit spread butterfly. That's what I've also made a video, right? If you remember, I also made a video. Okay, I also made a video, right? I told you guys to do the homework. Let me show you. Where is that? Okay, see, let me show you. I made a video. Okay, where is that? Very tough for me to. Okay, I made a video, right? Yeah, $1 million worth free homework for you. That's what I've told here. What did I say? Boss, you have to do this is what I do every take a latest week expiry and do all this iron fly, butterfly, debit spread, ratio spread, calendars, jade lasers, and also you do the hybrid trader signature strategy. Then only you'll get more ads on. Alright, thank you friends. If not, the video will extend, and please share my videos with your friends. See, I'm just putting so much of effort in terms of showing you all the simulations. I'm showing you all my signature strategy, and before I wind up this session, I would recommend you to just please join my Telegram channel, wherein I'll be like sharing you all my live trades, right, all the chart analysis and everything. Okay, so thank you friends, thank you for watching my video.